All right, guys, this is hard request number 72 on the current list. It's Dancing on My Own by Calum Scott. It's just a piano solo arrangement here. And I'm going to do the part one. Sounds like this. 3, 4, 5. And so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part one lesson here. All of the lessons for this are on my website. Don't have it written up here like I usually do. webpianoteacher.com, webpianoteacher.com. And get all the lessons to this, plus thousands of other lessons that I've done over the past 11, 12 years. And check me out on Facebook. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. Now let's get started here. This part one, it's a lot of it's very repetitive, and part of the challenge is just keeping your place where you are. And at the very beginning, we're going to do this little motive 5 times: D flat, A flat, and then 3 more A flats, and the rhythm is da 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 da. Now, if you want to let your right hand help out on some of this stuff, you can certainly do that. You can go. I have it all written in the left hand just because it's, more bass clef, what left hand usually does. But I don't know what the arranger of this intended. So there are the notes, and you can, of course, let your right hand help out. But it's 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it changes. The bass notes changes. First it goes A flat, 2, an A flat, another A flat, then D flat, A flat, A flat. So that measure right there is bum, 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 bum. Right? Syncopated rhythm, da da da, offbeat, offbeat, bum, bum. Then we have bum, bum, which will be G flat, D flat in the left. The right hand can take the B flat, A flat. That one time, and then you do D flat, A flat, or D flat, A flat 3 times, and there's where you can let the right hand take it. Okay? You do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. One more measure, and then we'll start putting it together. So it's D flat octave in the left hand. Then right hand can do A flat again, D flat left, right hand A flat, another A flat. So or you can do left hand all of it, whatever you fancy. Now, after that, I have a dot to dot there, 4 times total. That means go from this dot to this dot 4 times total. So we've already done it once, so it's 3 more times. So let's do it the second time now, and go. 1, 2, 3, keep going. Here's the next time. 2, 3. Okay, so it's 4 times total for the black dot to black dot part. You only play this at the beginning, kind of intro. 2, 5 times. At 58 seconds, which is where we will be in this video, how to play Dancing on My Own, Calum Scott, we have this. And that's going to repeat 4 times. And what I have here written small there is 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have letters, notes, by the sides of those letters. B flat the first time. So B flat, well, down here, B flat octave. Then a D flat the second time through. The third time D flat again. And the 4th time B flat. Okay, when it goes through 4 times and it's very similar, I think it's easier just to write it one time and to show you where the differences happen. And all of us who are visual learners, that makes a lot more sense to us that way. So let's look at the right hand first, and then we'll look at the left hand changes, because the right hand does not change. F, A flat, D flat, 1, 2, 5. You play the A flat, D flat again. Okay, so it's da 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 da. Kind of accent the chord part. Ba, 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 ba. Then we have E flat, A flat, D flat. Okay, so all you do is move that thumb down to E flat. Then we have E flat, A flat, C. Do that for half a measure. Then we go to this. So it's G flat, A flat, D flat, 1, 2, 5. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it till the very last note. There's a C. Okay. So the right hand just continues with the 8th note or 16th notes, however you're counting it. 16ths, I think. Left hand. All right, the first time through, give me a B flat octave. And then we'll do A flat. I have F there because just on the 4th time there's an F. And that's it. Or this F if you want. Right, I like the lower one. Then G flat octave, G flat, G flat. Really, I wouldn't worry too much about the left hand. Just kind of vamp whatever octave you're on. That is how I would do it. But it's 4 times for that line. For this line, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And first time B flat, second time D flat, third time D flat, 4th time B flat. So let's do it all 4 times, and this is at 58 seconds. Here we go. Second time, it's D flat. A third time, D flat again. Fourth time, B flat. F. Okay, so see that? When I did that 4th time, I put the F in there. Bum, bum. And that's that section there. So we'll pick up right here in the part 2 on webpianoteacher.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the part 1. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.